So over here, you can see that I have a bunch of images right here. And let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and add in some keywords onto them. Let's say, for example, I want to go ahead and add in, let's say, for example, sky right here in this keyword right here. So I can go ahead and choose the image one by one and add in keywords, but that does take a bit of time. If you want to go ahead and then quickly add in keywords, certain keywords to certain images, then you can actually utilize the spray paint tool right here. If you actually don't see the spray paint tool, you can actually go around over here and then enable out the painter from over here. Once you do that, the spray paint is actually shown up. So now once you go ahead and click on it over here, you can see that you can go ahead and choose keywords right here. So once you go ahead and do that over here, you can go ahead and add in keywords that you want. Like let's say, for example, I have hello there. And let's say, for example, I'm going to say nature right here. So these are the keywords I want. So now as I had already selected the spray paint, you can see the spray paint right here. So just by clicking and dragging, you can spray paint all of those keywords right there. And then you can go ahead and click right here to get out of the spray paint tool. So now you can see that on all of these images that I spray painted, you can see hello nature is there. But in the ones that I haven't added in, it's not there. And that is how you can go ahead and add keywords using the spray paint can inside of Adobe Lightroom Classic. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.